Good morning, Texans. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now we'll observe our moment of silent reflection. So today is What You Doing Wednesday in the Student Council theme week, and we appreciate the Student Council for coming up with some fun things to do this week. I missed out on Miss You Monday, and so I guess I missed Miss You Monday. That's interesting. But yesterday was Top Chef Tuesday, and so we got to share some of the foods we're cooking. So today is What You Doing Wednesday. So Stuco would like for you to tweet a picture of what you're doing today and then tag Texan Stuco in there, and then they've developed the hashtag Texan Coronacation, and so you'll see that out on Student Council's Twitter, and so join the fun. That's pretty cool. And the other thing I want to do is brag on NHS TV. Last night, NHS TV was honored on a national stage virtually. There was a live stream broadcast on YouTube recognizing the top high school news shows in the nation, and NHS TV was one of the top 6 in the nation. Great recognition, and it was really cool to see them on that national stage, even though they couldn't do it in person. So congratulations, NHS TV. And just a reminder, if you have any interesting items to send to NHS TV, reach out to one of the folks on the cast. They'll be happy to help you out with that. Reach out to Mr. Raw. I'm sure he would be happy as well to have your news items, your fun stuff, your TikToks, things like that. So that's all I have for you today. Texans, I want you to have a great day. I miss you. I love you. I look forward to seeing you again.